According to the passage, Peck wanted to reach the summit of Mount Huascaran because A. The government of Peru encouraged her to do it. B. The Swiss guides had dared her to do it. C. She was being paid to climb it. Or D. No one else had been able to do it. In order to answer this question, we need information from the third paragraph, which I have posted here. Here we see Peck's reasoning behind wanting to reach the summit of Mount Huascaran. Huascaran had 3 features that made it irresistible to Peck. It was a tall peak, no one had yet climbed it, and it was in South America. Although the text provides 3 reasons Peck was interested in climbing Mount Huascaran, only one is represented in our choices. D. No one else had been able to do it, which we see in the text when it tells us no one had yet climbed it. Therefore, we can mark D. No one else had been able to do it as our final answer.